Welcome back. Let me take you on a virtual tour of this charming duplex nestled in the heart of Dover Foxcroft. This property is not just a house, it's a versatile investment opportunity that offers two separate living units, making it an excellent choice for owner occupancy or an addition to your rental portfolio. As we step inside each townhouse-style unit, you'll notice the open living and dining rooms that create a spacious and welcoming atmosphere. The efficient, sweetly styled kitchen is perfect for preparing your favorite meals. On the first floor, each unit also features a private enclosed porch with laundry facilities for your convenience. Let's move upstairs where you'll find 3 cozy bedrooms and a full bathroom in each unit. For your comfort, heat pumps are installed in each unit to ensure efficiently cool summers and cozy winter warmth. The owner's unit has a special feature: a second full bathroom on the main level. Imagine stepping out onto a large backyard deck from here, overlooking the beautiful brook. It's the perfect spot for a morning coffee or an evening of relaxation. Each apartment has its own private entrance, and there's lovely yard spaces in the front and back of the home, allowing all occupants to have ample area for outdoor entertaining. The babbling brook that runs along the side of the property and the mature shade trees that border the lot further enhance the exterior appeal here. Dover Foxcroft is known for its access to ATV and snowmobile trails, picturesque lakes, and a welcoming community atmosphere, making it a sought-after destination for four-season enjoyment. Making it an ideal home for anyone looking to enjoy country living with the availability of city amenities nearby. Whether you're looking for an income property or a place to call home, this duplex presents an affordable opportunity to invest in Maine real estate. Priced at just $225,000 by the time of recording this video, this property is ready to welcome you home. Thank you for joining me on this tour, and I hope you've fallen in love with this charming duplex as much as I have. If you would like to know more about this home and it's still available, please click on the link in the description under Property Link.